got 2 cars coming in from Japan.
Alright, Jordan, good luck.
We're taking the FD. I bought it from Coda. Coda's really trying to make me feel like I'm in Japan. Got the Nihon service right here. Thanks, you know. Getting a little taste of my FD that's coming in. I've never driven. Well, I sold that one to YBN.
See cashier.
Okay. I gotta go see the cashier apparently. We're back. 3 hours later. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I'm pretty positive someone told me that. I'm not lying, dude.
2 hours later.
What's going on? Guys, there's cops downstairs.
They sound cool, so maybe you can just ask those.
The property's going to be done in less than a month, so we should be out of here really soon, I promise. Yeah, so.
Well, you guys know that you're not supposed to be parking on the side of the houses, right? I've already been here how many times? You should know me by now.
You look pretty good, officer. I've seen you before.
But you know I'm gonna take your cars if you don't come off the street.
Like freaking cops, man. We gotta run. We're running. They're gonna take everything. They're taking all our cars. Unless we move them. So we might have to bust a night mission right now and drop everything off at the land.
Taking up too much space on the streets.
That's what happens, dude. When you think bringing containers full of cars is cool.
Let's go.
Overload.
Back? Why didn't you tell me?
Bro, I thought we talked about you parking your car next to the 2-car trailer.
Trailer duties. Bro, it's gotta go back.
Oh, we have car seats.
Car seats?
No,
I love sitting in car seats.
I'm
Let's do it again.
Sorry, guys.
I'll drive, yes.
No way. There's no way you can fit there. Don't even put this on. 2 babies and 1 grown man.
Yeah, they're in car seats.
Their cup holders work.
Let's go.
Yeah, everyone influenced Leah to sell the VSKFs, dude.
They don't want to count it out.
Yeah, okay. Here's your 240, Jordan. You want to sell it?
To the price, dude.
What is it? Single cam?
He knew this question was coming.
He knew that I have a cracked dash at my house too that I just bought.
What? Let's see it. Dang, this dash is super mid.
Nah,
Check out this dashboard, Jordan. That custom dashboard. I like what you did there. Shoot, I'd give you $3,500 for it.
For real?
Yeah.
I'll freaking give it to you right now.
You guys playing for real?
Yeah, I'll take it. I don't care.
What engine is it?
It's a dual cam.
Dual cam.
Really?
Yeah.
Swap.
Should I just get this one?
What, you gonna get him an Uber home with VSKS?
Wait, you got the VSKS for this?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna give them back to you now.
Try and load these things up.
The wheels cost more than the car now.
Oh, man.
No, honestly.
Arms or links, or it's all stock?
That's all stock.
Let me know if you want to sell it, man.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll be
If
here.
we're on the vlog. What's up, guys?
That car's sketchy. It's not a drift car yet. It's for sale though.
At the land, drop Dakota's car here because we're gonna pick up 2 more cars.
This is gonna be like this for the next month.
Another car.
One more?
Yeah, Josh, we're picking up 2 more cars in 2 days.
Yeah, gotta go to Arizona
6 cars this week.
6 cars this week.
with 0 room. Everyone pretty much said screw the community page. We're thinking everyone on the community page either doesn't watch the videos anymore, and if you don't watch the videos anymore, I don't really mind. So I guess we'll just continue to cater to. You're right there. We should put you on camera. We're just gonna, I guess, continue to do what we do, because a lot of you guys said don't even worry about it, we're still gonna watch, and you guys wanted the long vlog still, and you don't really care what it is that we vlog. We're gonna make it better though, right, Jordan?
Yeah. It's not gonna be Josh and switching wheels or something.
It's not gonna be that, yeah. And we have more car content, so it's probably gonna be a lot of that. We got a lot of engagement last video. Thank you guys for all your comments and constructive criticism, but this time it was all good. So I'm gonna take your guys' word for it. Maybe 15-minute videos. Every other day was kind of killing us, so maybe every 3 days, every 4 days.
Yeah, we'll save up. We'll stock footage up every like 4 days and make it into one vlog.
We'll see if they still watch once Coda leaves. When are you leaving?
Next week for like a little bit, and I'll be right back.
It'll be for like 5 days.
So we won't post when Coda's gone. Because apparently this channel sucks without Coda, so you guys can go sub to his channel, I guess.
Yeah, change this channel to Coda the Yoda too.
So about the merch, we have our shirts being made like literally as we speak. So Judson said he's gonna stop by and bring us over some samples. So I'm hoping we can launch our drop maybe within the next week. That'd be cool. We did post on the community page about quantities and just to get a feel of everyone's sizes and if you guys are actually gonna buy the merch, just so we don't overdo it. But in the budget was we didn't have too much to spend, so we went with 300 t-shirts, so they are gonna go quick. I think we got like over 4,000 votes for sure buying a t-shirt, and then like all the lanyards are sold out. We bought 500 of them, or we have 500 of them. The stickers, I think we made 600 stickers, and everything was like sold out. So
that's just according
to the poll. I don't know if you guys are really, you know, about that life. Hopefully with this first run we'll make enough to, you know, make the quantities we need. Maybe like 1,000 t-shirts so everyone can get it.
It's getting really cold too, so we're gonna do the hoodies.
It is getting cold. I don't know if you guys want hoodies. If you want hoodies, comment below, or crew necks, maybe even beanies or hats. We can do hats too. But we were gonna make more, but we're kind of out of money right now because we bought 15 cars. Jordan's buying a car, so me and Jordan couldn't really cash out that much for merch this time, but second time around I promise we're gonna get more quantity. But be sure, once that merch drops, you guys gotta be quick.
There's only 300.
There's only 300, so I mean we'll do a little poll and see if you guys want to run it back, the same shirts, if you guys like them and you guys didn't get a chance to get them. Maybe we can do another drop of those first ever Kyosozoku t-shirts.
But Judson has a lot of really sick designs already.
Yeah, we got some sick designs, so maybe we'll launch another one. I don't know, we'll see. Comment down below what you guys think, because this is me and Jordan's first time actually doing merch, so we could use some some input on what exactly we should do. Stay tuned. So besides the Kyoso Zoku merch, we've got our Info Motors team that has a new drop this Friday. We got a bunch of goods. They just sent me a care package. Thank you guys. You guys will be available to purchase any of this merch. We'll link the description below. Ooh. We got a bunch of goodies. We've got license plate frames. We got hats on there. Let me read this, Jordan. I think I got this one. I forget.
Cycle.
That's what it is. More. I got a bunch of stickers dropping too. Expect locals represent stickers. And the coolest of them all, we got our own Barron's mirror. This is the mirror that's gonna be dropping. I have a limited quantity of these, but I'll be able to sell all of them to you guys. So I'll link where to buy them. You can either buy them off Information's website or mine, but Broadway mirrors. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm pretty sure we are gonna drop this video on Thursday, tomorrow, Friday? This is gonna be dropped on Friday, so you guys, I'll post on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll post the drop time and whatnot, but thank you Information again.